are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Welcome back, Loyalty Squad. What's up? So today we have a Outre perfect hairline wig. Yes, honey. She is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig, and it's a transparent lace, HD, no plucking required, boo. Okay, and she's glueless, pre-attached elastic band and all. As you can see on my mannequin's head right here, I'm showing you her color. So the color that I have right here is DRFF/Golden Honey. That's the color that I have right here. Now you can do this wig multiple ways. And on the cue card, index card, whatever you want to call it, but the card that comes with the wig, it shows you 3 different hairstyles that you can do with the wig. Okay, and she come with baby hairs. The baby hairs is pushed back in the video because I was already messing in her and playing in her before I even started recording, honey. But I'm showing y'all how much lace you have to play around with, honey. Okay, yes, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. What you waiting for? Okay, so right here I'm showing you how far down the side you can go with your parting. And so as I was saying, this is the elastic band. This is for the small headed girls, and also so that your wig stays on and it don't fly off. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off in a minute, but right here I'm showing y'all she has baby hairs. Like I said, I was playing in her before I started recording so you can't see it right now, but I'm taking it off my mannequin's head so that you guys can see the inside of old girl. Okay, and her name is gonna be Butterscotch. That's what I'm gonna call her, Butterscotch. So Butterscotch, look at all this lace inside of her. Like, you have a lot of lace to play with, honey. You can get real fancy with your hairstyles. And this is another thing I want to add in here, is, if I haven't already said it, is that this wig is 24 inches. Also, that this wig was $65.99 at my local beauty supply store. But I also noticed that she's cheaper online. She is already giving grown and sexy, honey. Like, it was so pretty. The color and everything went so good with my complexion. Now, I did forget to mention she is synthetic, so this is not human hair, ladies, but you can heat her to 400 degrees, meaning if you want to bump it, you can do that if you want to. So I'm checking out the lace front, the hairline, and it's really cute. She's really cute. She's giving. Just not satisfied with the stocking caps looking underneath my hairline, and that was my fault. I think I got too light of a stocking cap, but it's cute though. It's giving. She's really, really cute. But yeah, I'm not feeling that stocking cap, so I'm like, okay, what do I need to do? Yeah. Like, just give me a second, let me try to figure something out. So I take her back off and I apply some foundation underneath the lace front just to see if that will make it look a lot more natural while it's on top of the stocking cap. And here I am, got it back on. She's still looking good, but up close, oh girl wasn't doing it for me. I was not satisfied, okay? I was not satisfied. I was like, you can still see my stocking cap underneath this lace front. This is not giving. I got somewhere to be. Like, no. And so, yeah, I was not pleased, and I'm trying to figure out. I do not want to have to do a ball cap method, and if I do, I don't have time. It's going to be really, really quick. The quickest ball cap method online today, okay? Trying to look and see if I can do something with her, you know, because I was going to do a side part, and you know, I'm like, maybe I can just apply some foundation on the top of the lace, but I still was not digging it. I couldn't get down with it. I didn't like the way it was looking, so here I am. Ball cap method we go. And then on top of that, I did it backwards, Russian. Now, as you can see, we are finishing up our ball cap method that I did backwards. But we got to make do with what we have already accomplished with this stocking cap. I got the color way too light. That was so my fault. But after that, we're gonna apply our wig again. Boom. And it looks much better. I love it much better. I'm feeling much better about it. All I have to do is just apply some foundation on it and I'm gonna be good to go. Now remember, I told you that this wig is glueless, so you do not have to glue it down, but if you choose to do so, by all means do it, sis. Also, when I do cut my lace off of my lace wigs, I go up the middle just like I just did in the video, and I seen that on another YouTuber, and that's where I get that from. So now I'm taking my eyebrow razor and I just go down the side, and the reason why I use this is because you don't want the lace front to look like the cut of the line to look perfect. It needs to look a little ragged, you know what I'm saying? That always seems to help for me. And I'm going down the other side and do the other side just like so. Now I'm ready to get started on my part because I'm going to do a side part. I hope I didn't leave any information out. If I did, everything will be located in the bottom description. Okay, so right here I am doing my part, making sure it's nice and neat. And this hair is super soft, by the way. Right here I'm just showing y'all how far back my part can go, how much lace you can play with. And this is just one style, y'all can do this hair multiple ways, like multiple ways. I wish I had more time. I would have done different styles, but I didn't have time. So y'all just gonna get the side part. Now I am getting ready to do my baby hairs. All I'm doing here is just getting some of my, I think they're called Britney clamps, but clamping my hair back with that so it can get out the way. And you do not have to use these razors. I just pick the first thing up to cut my baby hair. Sometimes I do use it, but most of the time I use my scissors. But I was like, look, this will get the job done. And I am applying my gel to the baby hairs. And girl, let me tell you, whatever is in front of me, I will use. I will make do with what I have right there in front of me. I've always been like that. But so I'm doing that here. I'm going to do a little swoop to swap swoop to the front right here. And you'll see, it's going to be super cute. And I didn't go all the way around the perimeter of the hairline and put baby hair down because I am doing a side part and that hair is going to be covering the other part of my face. And right here I am using my wax stick. I am sure most of you guys know about the wax stick that keeps your hair in place, your frizzes from frizzing up and flying about. I only put it up there. I do not go back in with no heat to make it stick down because like I said, this is synthetic, but you can do it if you choose to do so. I don't like my hair too flat. I like it kind of fluffy. And yeah, I got a big head, so I need some volume, honey. Okay, not nothing too flat over here. But I'm trying to get my little swipe, my little swoop to do its swoopity swoop thing, but it ain't acting right. But I'm gonna keep teasing it and I'm gonna get it right. And you can also bump it with the flat irons or the hot curlers. Remember, only on 400 or less to get it right. So you'll see the aftermath of how beautiful she came out. This is a beautiful wig, y'all. Y'all need to go get you one. And if you do choose to get one, make sure you go online because they overcharge in these beauty supply stores. And one last thing, sis, we got to put the foundation in the part. I forgot almost, but I'm getting ready to do it once I get her slicked out. And if you want to keep your hair from moving so much in your face, you can put you some sprigs up there and it'll hold it. Some got to be holding spray. But yeah, I forgot that one last step to apply my foundation in the part to give it so that my part all of it can be the same color. So you can go back in and you can do that so that it don't look crazy while you're out. But yeah, I love this wig. It was so cute, y'all. So cute, grown and sexy, honey. Yes, all the information on her is going to be down below, so you can go check it out. Thank you, babies. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell post notification button so every time I post, you'll know. Kisses.